What's up, guys? Welcome back to another protein taste review. So today we're going to be reviewing Phorm's Level 1 protein. So today's flavor I'm going to be going over is caramel latte. So for all you guys out there that loves caramel latte, the coffee taste, let's see what this really tastes like. Going over macronutrients. This contains 3 grams of fat, 7 grams of carbohydrates, 23 grams of protein, and it also contains 5 grams of BCAAs as well. So typical protein, more casein mixed. So if you guys watched my previous video, the Formula 1 protein by Phorm, that's more better for faster digesting. This is more slower breakdown, so this is more kind of like a meal replacement kind of with the extra carbs in it. So just like my other reviews, I'm going to be reviewing the protein with water and almond milk. So let's go with the smell first, see what it's like. It smells sweet for sure. It's definitely smells sweet. You can smell the caramel flavor, so it smells not bad. I actually really like the protein. It's a little bit on the pricier side. So here's 1 scoop. This is about, I would say, like $40 per 2-pounder. So it's a little bit pricier, just like the Core Nutrition and Legion Athletics, the Legion protein, Legion whey. But to be honest, I really enjoy the flavors. It's really good. I know the other flavors that I've reviewed on, I definitely recommend them. So if you guys like something really tasty, something really thin, and something and you guys have the extra cash to kind of spend on it, I definitely recommend Phorm supplements. So let's try it out right now. I can definitely smell the caramel. Shake it up. As you can see, it mixes very well. It's actually pretty, it's not bad. It's going right, it's pretty thin right now, so it's not bad. I'm also going to mix up the water now. So it does have a caramel latte color, that kind of golden yellow brown color. Alright, so what I'm seeing now with the water is I do see some clumps. So I don't know if you guys can see it. So let's see. I'm gonna give it a few more shakes. Okay, still see a little clumps and residue, but let's see. I'm excited, guys. Let's go for the smell smells amazing. It smells like a real caramel latte drink. Wow, this is really tasty. So just like the other Phorm protein products, it's very thin. So mixability, you do see some left on a shaker cup, but when you drink it, it's very thin. This is definitely something for you coffee lovers. You can really sip through this. Very tasty with the water. Now let's try the almond milk. Let's see what it's really like. So with the almond milk, it's still thin, right? It's still thin because as you can see in the cup, it's not thick, even with the little casein. It's actually, I would say the taste is stronger with the water. So with the water, it hits you hard, like that caramel taste, that latte taste. It hits you hard. But with the milk, just like the other protein, like it tastes sweet, but just not as sweet as just drinking it with the water. You could definitely taste the caramel latte, but it's a little bit diluted from the milk. But I would say with the water, it definitely tastes better. So depending on your macros, I typically like to rotate my protein because I do like varieties, different flavors, and also depending what my macros are left, I either drink with almond milk or water. So I always keep in mind something that mixes well and tastes well with water. So the taste test, I'll give it a 10 out of 10. Definitely caramel latte. It's really sweet. You can taste the caramel. You know, it tastes like coffee. So if you guys really enjoy any coffee flavor or caramel latte, this is the one to go to. It's a little pricey, but definitely quality protein. It's thinner. It's something you could drink and mix as well with water and almond milk. That's it for today's taste test. I would definitely recommend it. It's a little bit on the pricey side, but try it out, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.